Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Daewoo Nexia, a car that's set to make waves in the automotive world. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a stylish ride with some flair, the Nexia has something to offer. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Daewoo Nexia features a sleek and modern design that's sure to turn heads. The front end sports a bold grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The sculpted lines along the body add a dynamic feel, while the rear is equally impressive with its streamlined tail lights and integrated spoiler. This car isn't just about looks, it's about making a statement on the road. Under the hood, the Nexia is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that delivers a punchy 150 horsepower. It's paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, offering a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. The fuel economy is impressive too, making it a great choice for both city commutes and long highway drives. Plus, the car's handling is agile and responsive, ensuring a fun driving experience every time you get behind the wheel. Step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious and well-appointed interior. The 2025 Nexia boasts high-quality materials and a thoughtful layout. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long journeys. The dashboard is dominated by a large infotainment screen with intuitive controls and seamless connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster adds a high-tech touch, providing all the information you need at a glance. Safety is a top priority for Daewoo, and the 2025 Nexia is no exception. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind on every drive, helping to prevent accidents and protect you and your passengers. Another standout feature is the Nexia's impressive cargo space. The trunk is roomy enough to handle all your gear, whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or just doing your weekly grocery run. The rear seats can also be folded down to create even more space, making the Nexia as practical as it is stylish. In conclusion, the 2025 Daewoo Nexia is a well-rounded package that offers a lot for its price point. With its eye-catching design, robust performance, advanced tech, and comprehensive safety features, it's a car that's hard to ignore. If you're in the market for a new vehicle that combines style, comfort, and practicality, the Nexia should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, drive safe and take care.